Drilling is a necessary part of the renovation of homes and other spaces. However, drilling can be incredibly loud and bothersome, especially indoors. To keep it quieter, there are a few different techniques and products people should look into. Drilling noises can be adjusted by choosing softer materials to drill through, buying additional materials like mufflers, and ensuring the drill has a quiet setting. Other options include wearing earbuds, white noise, or pink noise. Drilling can be muted, but a few steps are needed for soundproofing during renovation. Modifications for the drill. Many different types of drills can be used to reduce the noise it makes. Many people who use drills recommend using a pneumatic hammer drill. Pneumatic hammer drills are unique because they hammer while drilling. This makes it significantly more powerful. The additional power makes the drill work faster. The faster the drill works, the less noise there will be. It will also make less of a squeaking noise due to the drill exerting less effort to get through the material. Additional products for soundproofing. Incredibly, drills have been developed enough to have attachments and modes that make them quieter. However, drilling can still be a loud experience. People can utilize a few things and products to make the experience less noisy. The main products that would be good to invest in are headphones, earplugs, or a noise-making machine. Sound-canceling headphones would be the most reliable and best option for people accomplishing different projects because they are easy to use and reusable. Important tips and tricks for drill. When drilling, some tips and tricks can help reduce noise while still getting the job done. If someone is trying to drill into a wall, it is essential to use a stud finder. There are some other actions a person should take before drilling. Stud finders are a highly recommended tool when drilling. If a person drills into a stud, they will make excessive noise and cannot complete the task. There are pieces of metal in walls that can impede a drill from successfully working. Another tip and trick for drilling is to use caulking material where a person will be drilling. Caulking material is typically used to fill holes and gaps between spaces. It can be used to limit noise, as it is a softer material to drill through than wood or brick. If you're tired of the loud drilling noise inside, click the link below to read my full blog post on how to reduce drilling noise while inside. And don't let the constant drilling noise disrupt your peace. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.